Hello everyone and welcome back to another unboxing video, and today I'll be unboxing the new 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro. So here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna set this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've set up the MacBook and spent half a day with it, and so far I really like it. The processor is really snappy. As you can see, you can do everything. It's really fast because of the new 10th gen chip. It's really efficient, and you still got the touch bar here whether you like it or not. You have this Touch ID which is separated from the touch bar, and escape key also, physical escape key, and the keyboard itself is also really nice. It feels the same as the 16-inch and also the 2020 MacBook Air. So yeah, they basically just ported the scissors keyboard to the 13-inch MacBook Pro. And performance wise, I haven't really stressed it yet, but so far it's really good. And for the thermal performance, it's way better than the MacBook Air, because as you can see, for this particular MacBook Air 13-inch, the higher end model, you have two fans instead of one. And for this higher end MacBook, as you can see, there's like air vents here, the air intake and the exhaust. And for the lower end 13-inch model, you don't get these two vents. So I guess the airflow isn't really as good as this. And that's all for today's unboxing video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. So please leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.